Hi guys, welcome back to the Rec Trends channel. Hot on the heels of the Astra G's exposed last month, Opel is doubling down on its Grand Sport electrical offerings with the Grandland GSe. For the sake of accuracy, this isn't a brand new model in itself, given that we're checking out the Hybrid 4 variation with a brand new name. The plug-in crossbreed crossover was Opel's initial production cars and truck to incorporate a combustion engine with an electrical motor when it was launched back in May 2019 before a facelift adhered to in June 2021. Moving forward, it's most likely to be marketed as the Grandland GSe to rest alongside the Astra GSe hatchback and also wagon. The small crossover incorporates a turbocharged 1.6-liter gasoline engine with a pair of electrical motors to deliver a total outcome of 296 horsepower. It's enough energized punch to send the all-wheel drive version to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in a commendable 6.1 seconds prior to topping out at 146 miles per hour, 235 kilometers per hour. Driven in electric setting, the maximum rate is digitally governed to 84 miles per hour, 135 kilometers per hour. Just like the Astra GSe, it gets a retuned suspension as well as recalibrated guiding to sharpen up handling and also deliver a much more dynamic drive. The Grandland GSe flaunts McPherson shows off at the front and also a multi-link rear with stiffer spring times as well as dampers taking advantage of Koni's frequency discerning damping (FSD) tech. The flashy PHEV flights on 19-inch wheels with a layout derived from the alloys fitted to the rad-manted GSe concept. To establish it besides the regular Grandland versions, the individuals from Russelsheim can optionally repaint the hood black to match the roof and also side mirror caps. The GSe variation additionally obtains a custom rear diffuser and special badging on the tailgate. Inside, the seats come wrapped in Alcantara as well as offer higher lateral assistance. GSe is effectively replacing GSI as the German brand name gets ready for the inescapable electrical era. It's coming quicker than you could assume given that parent firm Stellantis has actually sworn to cease Opel/Vauxhall versions with burning engines in Europe by 2028. Just 2 years later on, every one of the vehicle empire's brands energetic in Europe will have EV-only schedules. Thank you for watching.